Let's be honest, budgeting is hard, especially in 2025. With rising rent, gas, groceries, and unexpected expenses, a $3,000 monthly income in the US doesn't stretch like it used to. But here's the good news. You can still live smart, save money, and reduce stress, even on $3,000 a month if you plan with purpose. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step, realistic budget that shows exactly where your money should go, how to avoid common mistakes, and how to build a plan you can actually stick to. Let's get started with the first and most important step, knowing your real income. Know your net income. You may think you make $3,000 a month, but let's talk about what you actually take home. If $3,000 is your gross income, meaning before taxes, then after deductions like federal income tax, state or local taxes, Medicare and Social Security, health insurance, retirement contributions, if any, you'll probably end up with around $2,600 to $2,700 as your net income. That's the number you'll budget with. Here's why it matters. Budgeting from your gross income is like planning to drive across the country on a half-full gas tank. You'll run out early, guaranteed. Action step. Open your bank account or paycheck stub. Look at what gets deposited each month. That's your real budget starting point. Master the 50-30-20 rule. Once you know your net income, it's time to organize your money. One of the easiest ways to do this is by using the 50-30-20 rule, a classic budgeting method used by millions. Here's how it works. 50% needs: rent, food, transportation, utilities, insurance. 30% wants: fun, dining out, hobbies, entertainment. 20% savings or debt: emergency fund, investing, loan payments. Let's apply it to a $2,700 a month income. 50% needs $1,350. 30% wants $810. 20% savings or debt $540. This system gives you balance. It lets you handle essentials, enjoy your life, and still plan for the future. Tip: if you live in a high-cost city, your needs might take up 60 to 70%. That's okay. Just adjust other areas carefully. Let's break this down with realistic everyday numbers. Here's how your monthly spending could look. Needs: $1,350. Essentials only rent: $800. This assumes you share a place, live outside a major city, or rent a small unit. If your rent is higher, try to bring it under 40% of your net income. Groceries: $250. Plan meals, buy in bulk, shop at budget stores. Cooking saves hundreds versus eating out. Utilities, phone, internet, $150. Bundle your services if possible. Look for low-cost carriers. Transportation: $150 gas car, maintenance bus, train pass, or occasional Uber rides. Insurance included in rent or work deductions. If not, allocate around $100 extra. Wants $810, non-essentials you enjoy. Eating out: coffee $150, limit to 1-2 meals per week. Skip daily Starbucks, make it special. Streaming services: $40, choose 1-2 services max, cut what you don't use regularly. Shopping and personal fun: $250, clothing, electronics, games, hobbies. Stay mindful. Events, social life, flex $370. Birthdays, dates, local events, random spending. Track it, don't restrict it completely. Savings: emergency fund, $200. Build at least $1,000 first, aim for 3 months of expenses eventually. Credit card or loan payments: $150, pay more than the minimum if you can. Interest is a silent killer. Investing: retirement, $190. Use apps like Fidelity, SoFi, or Roth IRA platforms. Tools to automate and track your budget. Let's be honest, budgeting manually can be a pain. Here are tools that can help you automate and track your money easily. Mint Free tracks your income, spending categories and bills in one place. Set goals and alerts. YNAB: you need a budget paid. Great for proactive planning. Every dollar gets assigned a purpose. Rocket Money finds subscriptions you forgot about, cancels with one click. Google Sheets. Excel use if you want full control. Plenty of free templates online. Pro tip: no tool works if you don't check it weekly. Set a 15-minute money check-in every Sunday. Mistakes to avoid that kill budgets. Here are the most common mistakes that quietly destroy budgets. Overspending on rent. If your rent is 50+% of your income, it's almost impossible to save. Get roommates or move if needed. Not tracking little spending coffee snacks. Impulse purchases add up fast. $10 a day equals $300 a month. Skipping emergency savings. Life happens. If your car breaks down or you lose a job, savings protect you from going into debt. Using credit cards without paying in full. High interest can eat hundreds per year. Always pay your full balance if possible. Starting stark. Truth. People don't go broke from one big mistake. They go broke from repeated small ones. What if $3,000 is still not enough? You've cut your spending. You've made a budget. But $3,000 a month still feels too tight. So now what? Let's talk about increasing your income. Even by $200, $500 a month. Side hustle ideas. Low time, no degree needed. DoorDash, Uber Eats. Even 2-3 days a week can earn you 200 plus. Freelancing, design writing, video editing, voiceovers. Sell on Fiverr. Upwork, sell stuff. Unused electronics, furniture, clothes. Use Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp, YouTube or TikTok. Yes, you can grow an audience and monetize. Start small. Remember, you don't have to start a business. You just need to earn a little more, consistently. Mindset shift. Instead of thinking, I can't save on $3,000 a month, think, how can I make $3,100? What's something I know that others will pay me to do? Money grows with action. So now you know how to budget $3,000 a month in the USA, the real way. You've seen what numbers to use, how to break them down, where to cut back, and how to grow forward. This isn't just a budgeting plan. It's a mindset. It's about getting organized, getting serious, and getting free from stress. Comment below. What's one thing you'll change in your budget starting today? Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more real-world financial tips every week. Share it with someone who needs this plan. Thank you for watching. Now go take control of your money and your life.